Hello students, today we are going to solve Olympiad questions from Complete Foundation Guide for IIT-JEE Mathematics EC Go Solutions. So the first question is a symbol which can take various numerical value is called what? So here the keyword here is various. Various numerical values. So, as you all know, constant is a term which has fixed value. So, you cannot take that. Variable is something that varies with the value. So, you can keep changing the number. Suppose if you have 2x, you can give x value as 1 or 2 or 3 and it goes on, so the value keep changing. The number is again a number and the term is like 7x, 2x, 3x. So a symbol which can take various numerical values is variable. Next, among the following, a variable is dash. So here the options are 2, 3 by 4, y, 0. So variable again, as I told, variable is something that varies. It keep changing the numerical value. That is, it varies the values. So y, you can give y any value. Other numbers 2, 3 by 4, 0 and all fixed. So it is C. Next, a symbol which has a fixed value. So fixed value is always a constant. The fixed value means constant. The constant where the value never change. Suppose if you have 2x plus 3, here 3 is the constant. 3 is the constant. So it remains the same. It doesn't change. But for this 2x, if you keep changing the value of x, it keeps changing. So that's why it is called as variable. X is and 3 is a constant term in this algebraic expression. A constant alone or variable alone or their combination by operations of multiplication or division are called what? A constant alone or variable alone, maybe 4 or 2x, or combination of operations of multiplication or division. It is called as terms. It is just a term. Like terms means they will have same variables. Unlike term means they will have different. So similar term also, more or less like term and similar term are different, the same. So the option is B, terms. They are just known as terms. Next, 7 by y. 7 by y, they have given the options to be variable, literal, constant term, term. So 7 by y is just a term. It is not a constant term. So constant means it is 2x plus 3. So here this is constant. You should not have any other variable with this 3. This is known as constant. So you cannot take a constant term. Literal means, for example, if you have 7x, here the x is the literal coefficient. X is the literal coefficient of 7. And 7 is the numerical coefficient of x. So here 7 by y is just a term. So it will not take the answer to be literal or variable or a constant term. Next question. A term of an expression having no literal value. No literal value. So if you have, as I said in the earlier sum, 7x is there. So x is the literal coefficient of 7. X is the literal coefficient of 7. So if it doesn't have the literal value, so if it doesn't have means if you strike out this, you are left with just 7. 7 is the constant term. So the answer is constant term. The number of literals in 25xyz. So the number of literals here is x is 1, x, y, z. So there are 3 literals. 5 times q, that is 5 into q. So 5q is the answer. So B option. The combination of terms obtained by fundamental operations plus minus multiplication and division is called an dash. Combination of terms, and they are obtained by fundamental operation. It is just known as algebraic expression. So 21x plus 5. This is an algebraic expression. And x is the variable. 5 is the constant. Equation means you should have it as 5y square plus 7 is equal to 0. Equation will always have equal to sign here. So that is known as equation. So it cannot take, they did not tell anything regarding equal to sign and all. So combination of terms obtained by fundamental operations plus minus is called an algebraic expression. 4x plus 2y can be written as what? So basically you can write 4x plus 2y as 2x plus 4y. Changing the position with respect to addition doesn't change. For example, take the value of 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Even 4 plus 6 is also equal, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is also equal to 6. Changing the position of these two numbers, the value doesn't change. The value remains the same. The same way here in algebra also, 4x plus 2y, with respect to addition, it is same. So I am changing the position of, 2y plus 4x. 2y plus 4x is the right answer. So just 2y plus 4x is the right answer. You cannot change the variables. You cannot change the variable. You can change the position of the entire term. So this is the right answer. Thank you.